All right, check it out. January 15th, Firewood. We started off with 10 racks. We are down to 5 racks, but really 4.5 here. And that is just about right for the season. Just looking to have wood until the end of March, because then we head to Hilton Head. The racks have turned out great. Each wagon is a bin full. That is about a day's burning in the wood stove. And as each rack is emptied, it gets dismantled and put in the garage. And the patio is ready to use come May. I fill up 2 wagons at a time. Whiskey fills it up much higher, but it gets heavy to pull up the ramp, so this is a bin full. The tarps have been working out great. Val is helping as usual. We have a tarp over each pair of racks that are screwed on. And then we have a large tarp that covers the whole thing. These weights keep it hanging down, although the really strong wind we had last week even blew these around and actually broke one of the weights. But it's not an eyesore. Then we go up the ramp, but it's not an eyesore just having the dark green tarp. Works out fine. All right, then we bring these inside onto the porch. Hi, Belle. Let's go in. Good girl. She's so good. We store 2 racks. We store 2 wagons at a time. All right, so that's be for a couple days. Everything around this old house is a process. There she is. Do that about 100,000 more times. This is the process of how we fill the wood and bring the wood inside. This works out so well. Just bring the wagon right in the house, fill the bin, and if I'm filling the fireplace bin, I just wheel this right around and fill the bin in there. But that's already full, so I'm just going to fill this. And one bin is typically a full day of the wood stove, which we start in the morning as the coffee is brewing. We go through 4 quart of wood or 3.5 about, depending on the weather, fireplace use. But this works out so well. Then we put the wagon on the porch. Have 2 wagons on the porch at a time. And then when they're both empty, we fill them up. And that's it. Highly recommend the wagons for moving your firewood.